With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi, the question is, a spring mass system oscillates with the time period of this 7 seconds. The entire system is immersed in the liquid. In a liquid whose density is half that of the material of the block. Here, find the new time period in second of the oscillation. New time period we have to find. Here. Now we have to find, let us consider this T dash is the new time period. This we have to find, and T naught is given, that is equal to 7 seconds. Clear? Now according to this question it is given that this is a spring mass system. Let us consider this is the mass and this is the spring mass system. We can consider this mass is m and the whole system is immersed in the liquid. We can consider whole system is immersed in the liquid and the liquid density is given half of the block. So let us consider this system is immersed in the liquid, and it is also given that this density of the liquid is equal to density of the block and divided by 2. This is given. Now we can see from here mg force will act in this direction and the buoyant force will act in this direction, and this spring force will act in this direction, Fs. Clear? Now from here we can see that, and let us consider this displacement in the spring is what? X. Displacement in the spring is X. So we can see that N is equal to normal force will act in the upward direction. Clear? And the buoyant force will act in the upward directions. Clear? Now we can see that a normal will act in the upward direction. So from here we can write normal force is equal to mg force, that is downward direction, and the buoyant force in the upward direction. Clear? Now m is what? This is equal to volume into density. Clear? So this is equal to rho b, density of the block, into the volume of the block, into g, and minus buoyant force is what? We can see from here. This is the density of the liquid and the volume of the this block, and g we can write. Clear? This volume of the block we can write. Now it is given that this is the volume of the block and this is volume, sorry, this is the liquid and the volume of the block we can write. Clear? Now, and the volume of the block we can assume this is a V. So V we can write from here, V into G we can write. V into G we can write. Clear? Now it is also given that this rho L equal to rho B and divide by 2. So we can write here rho B, V, and G we can write minus this is rho B and divide by 2 into V into G we can write. Clear? Now from here we can see that this is equal to rho B V into G and divided by 2. This is the normal force we can see. Clear? This we can write. Clear? Now this rho B V into G and divided by 2 is equal to what? This is the rho B V equal to mg we can see from here. This is equal to mg. So normal force is equal to N is equal to, we can write mg and divided by 2. Clear? Now this spring force is written as F spring is equal to K into X minus K into X, and this is equal to mass into acceleration. From here we can find the acceleration, and the acceleration is equal to, we can write this is equal to minus K and divided by M into X. This. Clear? Now from here we can see that this omega square is equal to K and divided by M, and the omega is equal to root under K and divided by M we can write. Clear? This omega is equal to this. Now time period. Time period, as we know, time period is equal to 2 pi and divided by omega. Clear? Now from here we can write this time period is equal to 2 pi, and if you put the omega value, so this is equal to M and divided by K. Clear? So this is the T dash. T dash is this. Now T is equal to what? T is equal to, we can write from T is equal to 2 pi and root under this is equal to m and divided by k, we can write. Clear? So we can see that this T dash is equal to T. From here let us consider this is the first equation and this is what? Second equation. Clear? Now from first equation and second equation we can see that this T dash is equal to T. So from here we can write T dash is equal to T naught. This is the T naught because we have earlier assumed that this is the T naught. Clear? So T naught is equal to what? 7 seconds. So if you put this, so T dash is equal to T dash new time period is equal to 7 seconds. Clear? So new time period we can write and this is equal to T dash is equal to 7 seconds. So this is the required answer for this question. Hope this answered your question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.